It is time to continue my quest to make a plum tree bowl. I had to use the electric hand drill because for some reason the pulley on my drill press is slipping. Setting the lathe belt to the slowest speed position. Sticking on the bowl blank onto the screw-on shock I modified in the previous videos. It is somewhat out of balance, but it shouldn't be a problem when you're using a VFD to control the speed. Setting up the tool rest and switching to a bigger homemade rest. That's a big chunk of sapwood that needs to be turned away completely. Some unsolicited safety advice: take it or leave it, it's your life, your choice. Under the lathe is my box with wood turning tools. Some of them I made myself. Unfortunately, the best tool I ever made broke when turning an oak bowl on the wibbly wobbly wood lathe. Too much vibration, a big catch, and it was game over. I might try and regrind it for my next wood turning video. Well, I made my choice, so let's start turning. Trying to improve the cutting edge with my diamond hone. Maybe the best thing I ever got from Banggood. I apologize for the harmonic noise coming from the frequency drive. I will edit down the volume and save you from ear cancer. I don't want any liability suits. A bit more speed. And there it is, the first catch. There will be many more to follow. So let's speed things up and see if I can get this finished in a 10-minute video. I hope you're not in a hurry. That doesn't look promising. Hopefully it won't break. It's a rather hard-hitting bowl blank. It is also drier than I had hoped. No improvement there. But hey, it is still in one piece. I'm switching to my homemade bowl turning tool. It has a longer handle, and that is more comfortable with these hard hits I'm taking. Trying to clean up the center. I regret not using the tailstock from the start. It might have prevented the screw chuck from bending. It is slowly getting worse. How will this end? The suspense must be killing you. As dry as an English scone without some tea to wash it down. The motor is getting a little warm at these slow speeds. I guess I will continue this torture tomorrow. There are still some sap wood left, and then there are those weird looking black patches. I wonder what those are. Trying to keep the tool sharp. I don't think I did a very good job of that. Gotcha! OC, overcurrent. It just needs a power cycle to get it going again. Back in business, but it won't be the last time the drive cuts out with an OC error. I'm looking at the top of the bowl to shape the profile. Oops. There's still some sapwood left, but those black patches are gone now. It's getting a little wonky, but we're still going. Repositioning the tool rest. One day I'll make one that follows the curvature of a bolt a bit better, but I guess that won't be very useful to shape the bottom of a bowl. I made the bottom a little concave. I hope this helps later on when setting it up on the faceplate. This is the faceplate I'm planning to use after a little bit of metal turning. Using the tailstock to make a little center mark that will help me line up things. The wood looks a little cracked here and there, so I'm stopping now. Basically I had enough and I'm considering this a practice piece. Nothing really happened, but it does look a little bit dangerous. I really should start using the tailstock from the beginning. Loosening up the drawbar. And hammering out the taper. That taper really took a beating. I should not have used those pliers, because now I'm starting to think I might be able to fix this thing. In the end I had to put it in the vise to unscrew the wood. Alright, that is basically it for me. Next video I will try and screw this thing up again. And after all that fun, I now get to clean up. Oh joy. And the chickens will get to enjoy the chips when I clean the coop. Wood really sticks very good to my wooden shoes, and it gets dragged all over the old barn. Next time I hope it will be a little bit warmer, and then I will roll the wood lathe outdoors. The future bowl gets to wait underwater till I'm ready to scoop out the inside. Stay safe and bye for now.